Imagine you're straining pasta after cooking it perfectly. Just like how a good strainer catches and drains your noodles, ANDRITZ disc filter bags are designed to get the most out of fiber extraction and dewatering, making filtration way more efficient. Both processes rely on technology and precision-crafted materials to do their jobs well. ANDRITZ has put a lot of thought into making these bags meet high-quality standards, ensuring they are durable and effective for all your process needs. Once set up properly, they work just fine, much like your kitchen strainer. Our high-quality filter bags are made in Levice, Slovakia, in the heart of Europe. Choosing European production ensures superior craftsmanship and quality controls, guaranteeing the highest standards in every product. A disc filter bag collects valuable fibers, just like a strainer makes sure that no pasta is lost. Similarly, optimal drainage is key for both disc filters and perfect pasta. With ANDRITZ, you can count on top-notch filtration performance so you can relax and enjoy your meal.